Hello guys, thank you for being here today. Myself Shah Rajan from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. From the team Shah's Production, we are going to develop one application known as Screen Space under the guidance of Nilesh Kakade sir, who taught us the subject of innovation and entrepreneurship. As our problem statement, if you need to do some hardcore multitasking on your Windows PC, a second monitor can go along a way towards getting things done. If you opt to extend your Windows desktop across a dual monitor setup, it's as if you have two computers side by side, with each display getting its own set of windows and programs that can be opened simultaneously. But a second monitor can be rather expensive, and they are certainly not very portable if you wanted to use one with your own. And what are the problems? Having multiple tabs or tasks on laptop or a desktop screen takes a lots of space, and switching between those tabs it reduces efficiency of the developers. The user experience is not satisfiable in the mobile or cell phones, since there are many interfaces in the desktop screen which can't be fitted correctly in the mobile phone screen. Therefore, navigating or interacting with those interfaces is problematic. Um, According to the current problem, having multiple tabs or tasks on laptop or a desktop screen takes a lots of space, and switching between those tabs it reduces efficiency of the developers. The user experience is not satisfiable in a mobile or cell phones, since there are many interfaces in the desktop screen which can't be fitted correctly in the mobile phone screen. Therefore, navigating and interacting with those interfaces is problematic. Who has all these problems? Mostly developers are having all these issues. Therefore, our targeted customers will be IT company and working professionals or students. What we are coming with a coming with our solution, our application or a software, a screen space that lets you easily turn any Android devices into a second display for your Windows desktop. It also mirror few selected tabs from your PC tabs which are preferred by user. What's more, it's work over Wi-Fi. It means there is no massive wires, so you will always be on one tap away from having dual Windows monitors wherever you are. Uh, how does our application works? After installation of Windows application and mobile application, the mobile and PC will be connected via wired or wireless medium. A authorization process or pairing from both the side is initiated. After authorization, there will be a pan will open, then drag your desired tab or app in that pan which you want to mirror in your mobile phone. In this illustration, as shown in the figure, File Explorer is mirror. You can notice whole screen is not mirror, only the selected pane is shared. Here, only sharing desired tab can increase your efficiency, and this is the main motive of our development of this application screen space, that you can share only selected tabs, so that in mobile phones you can see clearly what you are mirroring. Value proposition. This is a developed version of existing solution. This application is for the people who wants to have a alternate solution of buying an expensive second display. What are the pondering situations? Not having enough money to buy a second display, having a mobile phone or a tablet laying around, and you are in need of second display for PC. Programmers or developers have need to multitask. They always use a larger display or several display. Those who want to use their mobile phones as a second display for their purpose, so they can use our screen space, and they can also utilize our mobile phone display and save their money for buying expensive monitors. Targeted Our targeted customers will be mostly developers and students, and our application is providing this specific feature. Means only selected tabs will be uh, mirrored on the specific devices. Business model canvas. Business model canvas is as shown. You can pause the video and read it. It is described clearly. Fund requirements is as shown. Core structure, revenue streams. Competitor analysis. Many companies has provided applications to to mirror their screens, but for mirroring the specific tabs, no one has created that application. So we are coming with this specific feature so that a user or developer can do their task easily and with a better efficiency. Thank you.